In this video, we work out one of the things I did wrong. Okay, so first I want to remind you that even monkeys fall from trees. So I'm not perfect and I'd like to show you my mistakes as well as my wins. And now I know what I've done wrong. I'll take you under the car and show you my mistake. So as you may know, I'm running drift knuckles. Now, I did account for the extra camber these would give me, but one thing I didn't account for is they are going to push the wheel 25 mil further out and 15 mil lower. Now that would be okay, but considering I'm running the IS350 brakes and a 25 mil spacer to fit the wheel I want to run, it's pushed it out 25 mil too far and 15 mil lower. Luckily, it's a really easy fix. All I need to do is run the ball joint on the knuckle, because then that will take out the 25 mil, also 15 mil lower. And I've been lucky enough to find some arms that will do that. So I'll take you up to the bench now and I'll show you those. And these are the arms that we're going to go with. Now, these are cast arms like the factory units, and they bolt in the exact same way as the factory units. They're 20 mil shorter and about half the anchorman angle. Now, I would have gone with these originally if I saw them. For some reason, they didn't come up on the search, but I searched it when I needed some new ones, and these popped up all over the place. So I don't know if they've just started manufacturing them recently, but these are actually really cool. So let's fit these in and see what the difference is.
I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now it's just will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I probably only sell one. Maybe to my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and treehouse homes, we all would take a ladder. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now it's just
No, I'm not going to make any loud noise.
Why?
Daddy's done with making loud noises.
Why?
Because he's done with making loud noises.
Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now it's just out. Used to play pretend, bunny. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need the money. Used to play pretend, bunny. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need the money. Used to play
Okay, so that was a quick and easy job. The new knuckles are in the car. Let's get the wheels back on and see what it looks like. Okay, so it is better, but as you can see, it's still not great. The rear is perfect, but yeah, a little, and I say a little, but that's way too much. But I've got heaps of camber adjustment on the top arm, so let's put it back up and adjust those upper camber arms in so we get more camber. Let's see what that looks like.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
So I've maxed out the camber on the upper control arms and it has helped quite a bit. There's still a lot of work to be done to make these wheels fit. What I'm going to do now is install some 15mm spacers on the rear because I want that fat look front and rear. And right now the rear looks very skinny and it's hard to decide whether or not to commit to it and start massaging the guards out to where they need to be to fit these rims, or do I just call it quits and put the stockies on so I can take it for a test drive. So let's put the 15mm spacers on, see what it looks like, and then I can decide whether or not I commit or not.
As you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
So that actually came out amazing. So now it matches the front a bit more. I think I can even go more just to remind you what it looks like before. So see, you can definitely is further in. Oh, that looks so good. So that's with 15mm spacer. I reckon I can maybe go to match the front a bit more. I reckon I can go another 5mm maybe. I've got a 5mm, I think I've got 2 3s maybe. So 20, so it'd be 21mm. I might try that and see what that looks like. Oh. God, that's good. God, that is good. Oh, damn. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my God, that looks so good. And 20 mil is where it's at. That looks amazing. And that matches the front a lot nicer. I'm really happy with that. That's what it was before. And after. Yeah, that looks much better. I'm really happy with that. Okay, so we're going 20 mil on the rear. And I'm committing to it. I can bring those guards out to be mostly legal. I can do that. And that looks so nice. Oh my God, that looks so nice. I'm so happy with that. That is the exact look I was hoping for. Yep, perfect. Let's do that. So I've got the stockies back on the car. Now I haven't been defeated at this stage. I will make the wheels fit. I actually came across some really interesting information to fit the wheels. So I am going to investigate that and order some parts. But I really want to test drive this car right now. It's been off the road for about 3 months now, and I so badly need to test drive it. So in the next video, I'm going to get it ready for the test drive on the stockies. And then after the first test drive, we can fix anything that comes up in the test drive and also fit the new wheels and take it for its proper cruise. Can't wait. So like and subscribe, as it does help out the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.
Fade away.